Hi guys, my name is Marcelo and welcome to Online Brazil channel, the first channel in YouTube made by Brazilians for you. Our goal here is to help you to have the best experience to your trip to my country. So today I'm going to talk about a polemic tour in Rio, the Favela tour. Let's start. Hi guys, welcome to Online Brazil channel, the first channel in YouTube made by Brazilians for you that are planning your trip to Brazil. Our goal is to help you to have the best experience to your trip in my country. But before we start, if you are liking this video and the tips we are giving to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive all of our videos. And if you are a little lost with your travel, we can help you to plan it. So send us an email to onlinebrazilchannel@gmail.com and we can help you with your program and to program your flight tickets, book your hotel, make some reservations in the best restaurants, and also pick up the best tours and places to go. So click in the link in the description of the video or send us an email and let's start. So a favela is an informal settlement or shantytown in Brazil, typically located on the outskirts of urban areas. These communities often lack basic infrastructure and services such as running water, electricity, and sanitation. The residents of favelas are often low income and marginalized individuals who are unable to afford housing in more formal areas of the city. Favelas have been a part of Brazilian society for over a century and are often associated with poverty, crime, and social inequality. However, in recent years, there has been a growing trend of favela tours, which aim to provide visitors with a glimpse into the daily lives of residents and to challenge stereotypes and misconceptions about these communities. Favela tours typically include visits to local businesses, community organizations, and cultural sites, as well as meeting with residents and community leaders. The tours are often led by residents of the favela themselves, providing a unique and authentic perspective on life in these communities. These tours have been controversial. Some argue that they can be exploitative and disrespectful to the residents, while others see them as a way to promote understanding and social inclusion. It's important to research the tour company and their practices before taking the tour and to be respectful and considerate of community and its residents while in the favela. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. It's also important to be aware that favelas can be dangerous places and that crime rates can be high. It's advisable to take the tour with a reputable company and to follow the guidance of the tour leaders. Other important thing is to never go alone there. There are drug dealers and cartels with big machine guns and they will not be your friend. It's dangerous. In any case, these tours can be a powerful way to learn about the complexities of urban poverty and inequality and to gain a deeper understanding of the social, economic, and political challenges facing favela residents and communities. One of the most well-known favela tours in Rio de Janeiro is the Rocinha Favela Tour. This tour takes visitors through the streets of Rocinha, the largest favela in Rio, to learn about the history, culture, and daily life of the community. The tour is led by a resident of the favela and aims to provide a more authentic and respectful experience while also supporting the community through economic development. Another favela tour that has been developed in a way that aims to provide a more authentic and respectful experience is the Favela Experience Tour. This tour takes visitors through the streets of the favela of Santa Marta in Botafogo neighborhood and is led by a resident of the community. The tour aims to provide visitors with a unique and authentic perspective of life in the favela while also supporting the community through the economic development. It's important to note that before taking any favela tour, it's essential to research the tour company and their approach to make sure that they are respectful and have the concept of the community and that the money generated from the tour goes back to the community. Rio de Janeiro has a large number of favelas, which are informal settlements that are typically characterized by poverty and lack of basic infrastructure. Here are three major favelas in Rio, but please do not go there alone. The first one is Rocinha. Rocinha is the largest favela in Rio de Janeiro and is located in the south zone of the city. It's home to around more than 200,000 people and is known for its winding streets and staircases that connect different neighborhoods. In recent years, the government has implemented a pacification program in the favela in an effort to improve security and provide basic services to residents. The second one is Complexo do Alemão. Complexo do Alemão is a group of favelas located in the north zone of Rio de Janeiro. It is home to around 120,000 people and is known for its steep terrain and windy streets. The complex is made up of several favelas including Alemão, Vila Cruzeiro, and Penha. The government has also implemented a pacification program in the complex in an effort to improve security and provide basic services to residents and even a cable car. The third one is Favela da Maré. Favela da Maré is a large favela complex located in the north of Rio. It is made up of 16 favelas including Complexo da Maré and Complexo do Lins. This favela is home to around 130,000 people and has been the subject of government-led urbanization and security initiatives. It is worth mentioning that these are just a few examples of the many favelas in Rio de Janeiro, and the situation in them can change over time. Favelas in Rio de Janeiro, like in many other cities in Brazil, have been historically marginalized communities and they still face challenges such as poverty, crime, drug dealers, drug cartels, and lack of basic services, but also have a vibrant culture and a strong sense of community. I had the opportunity to work in a big favela in Rio as a family physician, and it was one of the big experiences I had, and it was a nice experience, but I really don't recommend you to go there. But if you want to go, if you want to know, please take a favela tour and let me know in the comments if you had already taken the tour, how was your experience, or if you want to take the tour, why do you want to do it. And if you liked this video and the tips I gave you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and to receive all of our videos in first hand as soon as we publish them here, you can see them. And if you are a little lost with your travel, we can help you to plan it. So check the link in the description or send us an email to onlinebrazilchannel@gmail.com and we can help you with your travel. We will make you like a video call and help you to buy your tickets, book the best hotels, choose the bars and restaurants, and also pick up the best tours and places to go. So click in the link in the description or send us an email. Besides this, you still can become a member of the channel and keep and help us to keep our work here, or even buy our products. So check all the details on the description. If you have any question about Brazil, please let me know in the comments, and I wish you a safe trip to Brazil. Bye!